in the Olympic Green in Beijing, China. We're here for a game at the Bird's Nest, and just want to give you a brief look at the sights and sounds and see what it feels like on the Olympic Green at nighttime. So tonight we're going to be seeing track and field, and that's held in the Bird's Nest. We've got to find entrance H. Wow. Thank you, 谢谢. Wow, this place is massive. It's awesome. Woo, almost tripped. Long line at the concession stand. I'm here inside the Bird's Nest, and it's fabulous. We're watching track and field.